In Pro Tools, a lot of processing is done directly on the channel by using channel inserts.
However, when you're using effects like delay or reverb, there's another way that would allow you to send several channels to the same effect, which ups the efficiency of your session.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up what is normally called a sidechain patch.
Within Pro Tools, you can see our inserts and sends for each channel here. Now, click on a blank Send tab and route it to an internal bus. Make sure you don't use a real output unless you're connecting to a real piece of hardware. Instead, use either mono or stereo. Now add an auxiliary input track, and make sure to choose the same mono or stereo that you used for your send. Now set the input to your new aux track to the same bus that your send is on. Next, add the effect plugin you'd like to use to an insert on the aux channel. Set this new aux channel to be solo safe by command-clicking on its solo switch. Next, navigate to the View menu and choose Expand Sends. This will show the send fader on all channels.
All you need to do now is decide which sound that you want to send to the effect channel.
Now pull up the send on that channel and you should hear the effect added to the drive track.
It's important to note that you're sending your source tracks to the effect, not the other way around.
Able to give you what you want, girl, no. To give you what you need, yeah. But I'll try. God knows I'll try.
If you're interested in a career in filmmaking, music production, animation, or even mobile app development, acting, makeup, and more, check out MediaTech Institute. They're an amazing and very hands-on school that offers incredible programs on each of those career paths. If you're interested in getting a jump start in your media career, go to mediatek.edu and be sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos.